Konnichiwa, welcome to MrsLinsKitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Asari Udon. Udon is a popular Japanese dish and there are many different variations of udon. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Clam Udon, which is also called Asari Udon in Japanese. So let's get started. Here is the ingredients overview. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to make Awase Dashi from Kombu and Katsuobushi. If you want a more thorough instruction, visit the link below in the description box to watch our how to make dashi video. If you have gluten allergy, you can still enjoy Asari Udon by substituting soy sauce with tamari sauce and use cellophane noodle or glass noodle instead of udon. To make the dashi, you need to soak kombu, also known as dry kelp, in cold water for 2 to 4 hours or preferably overnight. Heat the soaked kombu until just before the water starts to boil. Take the kombu out to prevent having slimy broth. When the water starts to boil, add a handful of katsuobushi and turn the heat off. Let the broth sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes is up, drain out the katsuobushi and your awase dashi is now ready. Thinly sliced green onion and minced garlic. Next, prepare your udon following the instruction on the package. When the udon is ready, set it aside for later use. Pour 2 cups of awase dashi in the pot and cook on medium-high heat. Here I used the cast iron nabe pot, which can be used on stovetop as well as served on the dining table. Add minced garlic, sake, mirin, and soy sauce. Bring everything to a boil before adding clams. When the broth starts to boil, add the clams and lower the heat. Cook for 2 minutes. The clams should start to open up. After 2 minutes are up, turn off the heat and season with salt. At this time, if clams stay shut, it means the clam is no longer good. Please throw it away. If clam opens slightly, it is good still and you just need to manually help it to open up. Lastly, add the udon or your glass noodle into the broth. Garnish with green onion and your asari udon is ready to be served. Enjoy! So here is asari udon I made today. Asari udon is a light and refreshing meal for lunch or dinner. You can prepare the dashi and clams beforehand to quickly fix a hearty dinner on busy weeknights. I hope you enjoy watching me showing you how to make clams or asari udon today. Please don't forget to click the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Happy eating!